Aqara Doorbell Camera Hub, G410 with Chime Review. Aqara's Doorbell Camera Hub G410 stands out by acting as a multi-protocol smart home hub, prioritizing local control, Apple Home compatibility, and subscription-free automation for power users within the Aqara ecosystem. Aqara reimagines the G410 as a home brain, 2K doorbell plus Matter controller, Thread border router, Zigbee hub, and bridge tying Wi-Fi, Thread, Zigbee, and Bluetooth into one device. Understated black doorframe presence hides tech. 2K f1.8 lens and 175 degrees view sit outside, while an indoor Chime houses a microSD slot, up to 512 gigabytes, keeping footage safe if the doorbell is removed. In daylight, the 2K image captures faces and packages clearly across a wide angle with fewer blind spots. At night, performance is solid for a battery doorbell but still behind dedicated wired cameras. Millimeter wave sensing tracks real human presence rather than heat, cutting false alerts from passing cars, reliably flagging approach at the door, and distinguishing motion from presence, crucial for homes beside busy intersections. As a Matter controller and Thread border router, the G410 links over 50 device types: locks, lights, sensors, appliances, RoboVacs, EV chargers, and lets facial recognition events trigger automations across third-party platforms like Home Assistant. When hardwired, the doorbell can stream via RTSP to Home Assistant, Frigate, Blue Iris, or other NVR systems, making it rare among consumer doorbells and ideal for local first security builds. Setup revealed practical lessons. Pair near your router before mounting. Ensure a strong door Wi-Fi signal. Place the loud chime nearby, and expect to use 6 AA batteries if wiring proves unreliable. Best for Aqara users, Apple HomeKit households, privacy-minded locals, and Home Assistant tinkerers who want Matter/Thread/Zigbee in one device. Less suited to Android-only users or plug-and-play beginners.
Go to GearBrain for more information.